Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this little icon of a photo with a camera at the bottom left corner. Following that, just click on your photos that you wish to add or select Gallery section and select them from here. This time though, tap on Add at the top right corner. You can also select Gallery, click on Folders, and look for your photo over here by tapping on one of those apps or hitting those three lines at the top left corner to access any of those sources. When you find the photo you need, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!